Hello, I'm Ricky Lee, and today on the Watchlist, I'm joined by Jason Wood, CEO of Specificity Inc. The company has just reported positive cash flow and outlined its next phase of growth, positioning itself as a potential disruptor in the highly competitive ad tech and digital marketing space. Reaching cash flow positive is a milestone many ad tech firms never hit, so investors are paying close attention to what comes next. Jason, welcome to the Watchlist.
Thank you. My pleasure. Thanks for having me.
So, Jason, you describe Specificity as a disruptor in ad tech. So, what really sets the company apart? Is it the tech? Is it the go-to market approach, or something else entirely?
It's a combination of those factors, and frankly, we have, and now it's been completely verified as the right move, a healthy disdain and distrust for big tech. So, under one roof, we've got both the agency skill sets to do what agencies do, which is branding and creative and messaging and all of that. But we parked a very proprietary ad tech solution that solves a $200 billion plus annual fraud issue in ad tech. And that fraud issue is directly correlated to big tech delivering fraudulent and bot traffic into our marketing funnels. We are endeavoring to solve that completely.
Wow. Amazing. Another big challenge in ad tech is scaling demand and retaining customers. So now that you're cash flow positive, how are you thinking about capital raises or financing to support that next phase of growth?
Sure. Well, as we put together and finish our tech stack, so we've acquired the identity graphs for Europe and the US, the pixel technology, and we're building an LLM model and training it on parsing bot traffic. And that's a complicated dive. You can check that out on our website. But as we're doing that, we're going to spin up a capital round when we bring it to market for bridge capital so that we don't have to delay and we can start to scale now in real time. We executed a strata agreement, which is one of the least dilutive ways for a company like ours to raise bridge capital, short-term capital, and that's what we've done. So it's given us access to capital to grow staff, to grow tech, to grow programmers, to work on the tech and expedite the go-to-market strategy.
And what does your go-to-market strategy look like for driving demand? And how should investors think about Specificity's growth outlook heading into 2026?
Yeah, so we expect very big growth this year. In fact, we're already seeing it start to happen. Our pipeline is absolutely full of client opportunities, and that all speaks to copious amounts of new revenue. So we were very strategic in how we brought this to market. And what we've done thus far is we've been very specific in who we've reached out to and partnered with. The goal being is to get some enterprise level brands in the tech using the technology and deliver case studies to the market. Those case studies will be all the demand creation we're going to need. For example, we partnered with a European travel website right there in the UK, as a matter of fact, a company that spends a lot of money on Google's PPC and Meta, where they're getting 2.5x ROI on Meta, 3.2x ROI on Google's PPC. They did a 90-day pilot with us, and we gave them 38x ROI on their money, and did a press release announcing that. So we have more case studies that are underway right now, where we're seeing very similar results across many different vertical markets.
Amazing work. Wow. Well, ad tech is a crowded space, right? And plenty of companies promise disruption, but fail to build lasting business. So
Yeah.
why do you believe Specificity has the potential to deliver real long-term value in this market?
Well, our approach isn't a software solution or some AI LLM that's post ad serve. Like, yeah, and there's a lot of companies that can take these bots out of your down funnel traffic because they can see what bounces in milliseconds and all of that on your website. But all the solutions geared towards that, which is really the only thing that exists on the market that's at all significant, all of those solutions come into play after you've already wasted all the ad budget to drive the traffic. So it just made sense to us to build a tech solution that solves the problem from the data. And when you control BIDOs, MAIDs, and IPs, mobile ad IDs and IPs, IP6s, and then tether that to an identity graph, no matter what the next move for big tech is in this cat and mouse game of delivering us bot traffic, we've got the nucleus data. So we'll be able to navigate around their next specious move.
Wow. Well, thank you so much for your time today, Jason.
Yeah, my pleasure. Thanks for having me.
So once again, that is Jason Wood, CEO of Specificity Inc. For more on the company's platform and growth strategy, visit specificityinc.com. That's all for this episode of The Watchlist. I'm Ricky Lee. Make good choices today.